Hey friends, this is our 4-in-1 GE microwave oven. Now it's the best microwave oven that we've ever owned. We love it. And it's packed with features including this air fryer. So the question today is, should you buy one of these all-in-one microwave ovens that includes an air fryer, or should you get a standalone air fryer like the Ninja air fryer? Now I think that comes down to one major decision, and that is, do you want to keep counter space and your appliances in kind of an all-in-one format? Because that's the benefit of this. It has the air fryer built in, and it's really, really handy not to have to bring out a whole nother appliance, a whole nother machine to do your air frying. That being said, the air fryer on here is not as powerful as the standalone air fryer, and that is because of the amount of space inside of the microwave. So the way an air fryer works is it pulls in the air and circulates it, heats things up that way, which is why you get kind of a crisp finish. But there's a lot of room in here for that air to heat up and to circulate. So you're not going to get focused attention on your food like you do with the Ninja air fryer. The Ninja air fryer is more compact. It just has a much smaller surface area, so that food gets a lot more focused heat and air circulation to really give you a nice crisp finish. So again, this is perfectly fine. The air fryer actually works great. It just takes a little bit longer than your standalone Ninja air fryer. So if you can wait that extra, maybe 2 to 3 minutes based off of the type of food that you're cooking, and you want to save counter space, then this is our definite go-to. Hope that helps make your buying decision just a little bit easier, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.